up, y'all? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Right now, I'm driving and I'm feeling peaceful, feeling joy and ease, and I'm also feeling slight discontentment. And I think this discontentment that I'm experiencing, some people experience this as well, to greater extents, and we'll call it a certain thing, call it a, whatever, one common word for this discontentment, that for me typically sits right in here, right in the heart space, is anxiety. I'm experiencing a very slight anxiety right now. And one thing I love to do to allow this energy to move, right? Because sometimes, really anxiety is just energy moving, right? A lot of times it's uncomfortable, and so we'll label it anxiety, and then we'll resist it. We'll give it we'll make it this like bad thing, this disorder, and frankly, it can be a disorder, a disharmony of energies. So to bring harmony to this disharmony of energy that is anxiety, what I like to do is I feel into my heart and I listen. And an instant remedy to alleviate this anxious feeling is to feel into the heart, to feel into that energy, that disharmony, and bring harmony to it by singing, by giving a voice to it. So I was just feeling a slight disharmony, and what melody that came up inside of me was and the expression of that energy, I found myself reharmonizing, recalibrating, coming back to my center. Terrence McKenna, I believe, or Alan Watts, one of them, they say that if you ever get in a bad psychedelic mushroom trip, start singing. It doesn't have to be psychedelic mushrooms, it can be life too. If you ever find yourself experiencing the rolls and the highs and the lows of life, if you find yourself experiencing the spectrum of emotion, if you find yourself in discontentment or anxiety or disharmony, sing. Doesn't matter how good of a singer you are, sing. Let the noise out, let the melodies out, let your heart express itself. When we're born, the first two things that come into physical form is our heart and then our tongue, our esophagus, our voice. Those are the first two things manifested. So in honoring these two energy centers and allowing them to work together, there can be great movement, there can be great recalibration, there can be great reharmonization, there can be great progress. So my invitation to you is to sing if you feel anxiety. Let a melody out of your mouth. Give a voice. Let the energy that's pent up in your heart that you feel in that anxious moment, give it an outlet. I even think about people who went through great pain, right? Like you know, look at my ancestors, like African ancestors here in the U.S. that have, you know, experienced slavery. One of the things that would bring some sort of harmony to the chaotic environment that they were in, the chaotic, harmful environment they lived in, they would sing. They would call these songs old Negro spirituals. So just using them as one reference point, but you know, it's a human thing to sing. It's a life thing to sing. Everything is singing a song. My car right now is singing a song. The birds, I wake up in the morning, they sing a song. At nighttime, the coqui frogs that we hear in the back, all over our property, they sing a song. Everything sings a song. So sing your song and allow your song to bring you back into harmony.